So today for this bucket list check off, I brought my sister Lauren and her husband Bobby. We had a similar item, which was that the three of us have never ridden a helicopter before. We're also super into Pokemon Go, and we saw this ad for this helicopter company that was doing Pokemon Go tours. Like you go up in the helicopter and catch Pokemon. We're gonna ride on this thing, which all of a sudden I'm having major second thoughts about. This is my sister Lauren, and this is my brother-in-law, Bobby. What are your thoughts about this?
I am pumped. I would fly it if he lets me.
He can't let him do it. Don't
I
let
know.
him.
I really hope there's a Charizard up there somewhere.
Would you have the game ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Like psyched.
I'm ready. He's got his Pokemon hat on. He's good. I'm very excited. I'm also kind of a nervous flyer, so I'm hoping when I get up there, I'm not like, oh no, I made a mistake.
What I typically do is I load you guys in, you guys take off, when you come back, he lands it and he's facing me. I get you guys out one by one and I put you in front of the helicopter. He does like a cheesy thumbs up in the background. Turns out to be a really cool picture. So then whoever wants to get in this side, I have a door on the other side
Oh,
too.
I'll go in the other side then.
So here you can use these handles.
Pokemon?
I did. I caught one.
No.
They all ran away, the other ones, but I got it on video.
I had one really. Did you see the one I
Pincer?
had?
Yeah.
It ran away.
Yeah, they
It
all
was
ran.
like one of the best ones I've seen in a long
They were afraid of
time.
your health. No.
They're like here, like right now you're looking and there's a farm over there and it looks humongous, but when you're up in the air, it's...
Well, I thought cows were goats.
Lord, look, it's goats. Look at all the goats, and we're
Yeah.
like, they're cows.
It's a cool perspective.
It is a cool perspective. I feel like it makes you feel big and small at the same time.
You know those like army helicopters that are all open?
Yeah.
That's what I was picturing. I was like, I'm gonna have to tie my hair up. Like we're just
like
gonna
with
be
the
with the
sides
doors open. Like they open it and they're like, get in. It's like,
All right,
you know,
this is a bucket list check.
yes.
Nice. Very good, and we did it together. Makes me so happy.
Yes.
I think the coolest part is like when you're first lifting off, because it just feels like all of a sudden you're going. Like, oh, we're off the ground, we're moving. This is crazy. Once you're up there, it's very serene and kind of peaceful even. And it all started because we were just kind of hanging around and talking about things we haven't done and have always wanted to do. If you have something on your bucket list, send it to us and maybe we will help you check it off too.